Can you recall the last time you experienced a total solar eclipse? Let's take a stroll down memory lane where the sun and moon danced in a cosmic ballet. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine it. The anticipation building as the day darkened, the chill in the air as the sun disappeared, the collective gasp as the world slipped into an eerie twilight. Remember the sense of awe, the shivers down your spine, the shared wonderment with those around you. Was it a clear day, the sky a perfect canvas for this celestial spectacle? Or were you huddled indoors, peering out through a window, hoping for the clouds to part? Think about the people you were with. Were you with family, friends, or amidst a crowd of strangers, all brought together by this singular moment? Now think of the emotions that washed over you as the moon passed in front of the sun, casting a shadow that turned day into night. The thrill, the excitement, the silence as nature held its breath, and then the joyous relief as the sun emerged again, victorious. It's indeed a rare and magical experience, isn't it? On Monday, April 8th, 2024, a celestial spectacle will begin its journey in Mexico at 11:07 a.m. PDT. As the hands of the clock inch towards the appointed time, a sense of anticipation hangs heavy in the air. The sky, a vibrant canvas of blue, is about to become the stage for an awe-inspiring drama that is as old as the cosmos itself. Today, Mexico is not just a country, it's the gateway to a celestial event that has both scientists and stargazers buzzing with excitement. The sun will take a back seat as the moon steps into the limelight, casting a shadow that will plunge day into night, if only for a few fleeting moments. This is no ordinary day. It's a day of darkness in the midst of daylight. A day when the sun, moon, and earth align in a cosmic ballet choreographed by the laws of nature, and the star of the show, a total solar eclipse, the first in North America in 7 long years. Let's pause for a moment and think about that. 7 years. That's a lot of days and nights, a lot of sunrises and sunsets. And through all those years, the moon has been biding its time, waiting for this moment to steal the sun's thunder. As the eclipse begins, viewers in Mexico will be treated to a spectacle that is both eerie and enchanting. As the moon inches across the face of the sun, a creeping darkness will spread across the land. But this is not a darkness to be feared. It's a darkness to be marveled at. A darkness that tells a tale of cosmic forces at play. This event is more than just a spectacle. It's a testament to the grandeur of the cosmos, a reminder of our place in the universe. It's a moment that brings us together as we look up to the heavens, our differences forgotten, our gazes united by the awe-inspiring sight unfolding above us. And this is just the beginning. The eclipse has a long journey ahead. At 1:27 p.m. CDT, the eclipse will cross into Texas, casting its shadow over the Lone Star State. This is the moment when the celestial spectacle truly begins its journey across the United States. As the moon positions itself between the earth and the sun, a captivating dance of light and shadow commences, painting a breathtaking spectacle in the sky. The path of the eclipse, a swath some 115 miles wide, continues its northeast trajectory, traversing the heart of Texas. It's here that major cities such as San Antonio and Austin find themselves plunged into surreal moments of daytime darkness. It's a sight that compels us to pause, to marvel, and to ponder the grandeur of our universe. As the eclipse continues its journey, it paints a path of totality across 13 states. From the southern warmth of Texas, it moves northeast, casting its shadow over the Midwest. Cities like Indianapolis and Indiana become part of this grand celestial spectacle, their skies dimming in the middle of the day, as if night decided to pay a brief, unexpected visit. Moving further northeast, the eclipse continues its path over Rochester and Syracuse in New York. Here, too, residents experience the awe-inspiring spectacle of a total solar eclipse, their cityscapes bathed in an ethereal twilight as the moon cloaks the sun. But remember, the eclipse isn't just a spectacle for those in its direct path. Its visibility varies depending on location and weather conditions, making it a shared experience for millions across North America. It's an event that transcends borders and time zones, a celestial ballet that unites us under a common sky. But the eclipse doesn't stop there. It continues on its path, heading for new territories. The moon shadow doesn't linger in any one place for long. Its journey is relentless, always moving, always shifting, reminding us of the ever-dynamic nature of our universe. And as the eclipse crosses the border, we're left in anticipation of where this celestial spectacle will journey next. Finally, at 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the eclipse will end its journey in Maine. As the shadow of the moon lifts and daylight returns, it signifies the end of a remarkable celestial journey that has captivated millions. Maine, the northeasternmost state, known for its rugged coastline and maritime history, becomes the final landing spot for this total solar eclipse. The people here, like in many other states, have had the privilege of witnessing a natural spectacle that has darkened their skies, if only for a brief moment. This event carries with it a certain gravity. It's not just about the alignment of celestial bodies, but also about the alignment of human curiosity, awe, and a shared sense of wonder. For a brief moment, it unites people under a common sky, a common experience, and a common fascination with the universe's grandeur. But as the darkness lifts and the normal rhythm of life resumes, it's essential to remember that this event is not merely an end, but also a beginning of anticipation, of waiting for the next time the moon will perfectly align itself between the earth and the sun. However, that wait is going to be a long one. The next total solar eclipse visible from the contiguous United States won't occur until August 23rd, 2044. That's a gap of 20 years, 2 whole decades of waiting for the moon to cast its shadow once again. But that's the beauty of these celestial events. They're rare, fleeting, and therefore incredibly precious. They remind us of our place in the cosmos, of the grand cosmic dance that's constantly unfolding above us, and of the astronomical wonders that we're a part of. The end of the eclipse's journey in Maine is not just the conclusion of a celestial event, but also a beginning of memories, stories, and anticipations for the next spectacle. It's a testament to the endless wonders the universe holds and our enduring fascination with them. And thus, the celestial spectacle concludes its journey as the last remnants of the moon's shadow lift. The world returns to its usual pace, but the memories of this celestial journey, of the shared awe and wonder, remain reminding us of the grand spectacle we are privileged to be a part of. As we anticipate this awe-inspiring event, there are some key points to remember. The first thing to note is the date. On Monday, April 8th, 2024, a total solar eclipse will grace our skies. This is not an everyday occurrence, as it marks the first total solar eclipse visible in North America in 7 long years. The next one won't be visible from the contiguous United States until August 23rd, 2044. So this is truly a sight you won't want to miss. Let's talk about timing. The eclipse will commence its journey in Mexico at 11:07 in the morning, Pacific Daylight Time. It will then cross into Texas at 1:27 in the afternoon, Central Daylight Time, and finally conclude its spectacle in Maine at 3:35 in the afternoon, Eastern Daylight Time. The entire event will last a few hours, so there's ample time to catch a glimpse of this celestial marvel. Now, the path of the eclipse is another crucial aspect. The path of totality, which is the area where the eclipse can be seen in its full glory, is approximately 115 miles wide. This path will extend northeast through 13 states, including major cities like San Antonio, Austin, Indianapolis, Rochester, and Syracuse. So if you're lucky enough to be in these regions, you're in for a treat. Lastly, but most importantly, is your safety. Remember, staring directly at the sun, even during an eclipse, can cause permanent eye damage. Therefore, it's essential to use proper eye protection, such as eclipse glasses, to safely view this event. So mark your calendars, prepare your eclipse glasses, and get ready to witness a celestial spectacle like no other.